The Tesla app getting stuck on connecting prevents you from accessing remote controls, diagnostics, and software updates. This frustrating issue occurs when the app cannot establish a secure connection with your vehicle. This problem typically arises from connectivity issues between your phone, the Tesla servers, and your vehicle. The app relies on a secure data flow through Wi-Fi, cellular networks, and Tesla's cloud services. Common causes include the vehicle being in sleep mode to conserve battery, network disruptions from poor cellular coverage, or app cache glitches that require clearing stored data. Tesla vehicles enter a deep sleep mode to conserve battery power. This helps maintain efficiency when the car isn't in use. The mobile app must send a signal to wake up the car before it can establish a connection and access features like remote control or diagnostics. If the vehicle doesn't respond to the wake-up signal, perhaps due to low battery or network issues, the app can get stuck on the connecting screen. To resolve this, first try using the Wake Up button in the Tesla app. This sends a direct command to rouse the vehicle from sleep. If you're near the vehicle, you can also initiate Wake Up by physically interacting with it, such as honking the horn through the app or approaching the car to trigger its sensors. Network connectivity problems are a common cause of the Tesla app getting stuck on connecting. A stable internet connection is crucial for both your phone and your Tesla vehicle to communicate properly. Make sure both your phone using Wi-Fi or cellular data and your Tesla, through its built-in SIM card, have strong signals. Weak connections can interrupt the app vehicle link. High latency or firewall restrictions can block the connection between the app and Tesla's servers. These network barriers prevent the necessary data exchange. Consider testing your network speed to identify if slow performance is contributing to the issue. Tools like speed tests can show ping times and download speeds. Disable any VPNs temporarily to rule them out as the cause. VPNs can sometimes interfere with the app's connection to Tesla's servers. Accumulated app data can sometimes cause glitches. Clearing the app's cache and stored data can resolve these issues. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, find and tap Tesla, tap Storage, then Clear Cache and Clear Data. On iOS, you may need to offload or reinstall the app. Note that clearing data will require you to log back in. Let's recap the main troubleshooting steps for fixing the Tesla app stuck on connecting. First, ensure you have a stable network connection on both your phone and your Tesla vehicle. Check that both devices are connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. Second, attempt to wake up the vehicle. Use the Wake Up button in the app, or try honking the horn physically to bring the car out of sleep mode. Third, clear the app's cache and data. Go to your phone's settings, find the Tesla app, and select the option to clear cache and stored data. Finally, restart your phone completely. This refreshes the device's connection and can resolve any temporary glitches affecting the app. These simple steps solve most connecting issues with the Tesla app. If problems persist, more advanced fixes may be needed. If the basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve the connecting issue, there are a few advanced fixes you can try. First, consider using a VPN on your phone, especially if you suspect your internet service provider is throttling your connection. Another advanced fix is to restart your home Wi-Fi router. This can refresh your network connection and sometimes resolve connectivity issues that affect the Tesla app. Finally, before spending more time troubleshooting, check Tesla's server status online. This will help you determine if there's a widespread outage affecting multiple users. Tesla is developing AI-powered features that will automatically diagnose and resolve connectivity issues before they affect users. This proactive approach uses machine learning to predict problems and apply fixes in real time. Future updates will enable smoother synchronization between the mobile app and your vehicle, reducing connection delays and timeouts. Over-the-air updates are making this integration more seamless, with 60% of reported issues now resolving automatically. Enhanced handling of network fluctuations will minimize disruptions from poor connectivity. By 2026-2027, expect integration with full self-driving software for real-time diagnostics using vehicle cameras. Energy-efficient wake-up modes will also reduce battery drain. Keep your app and vehicle firmware updated to benefit from these AI improvements. Experts predict 90% resolution rates by 2026, making connectivity issues a thing of the past. If you've exhausted all the troubleshooting steps we covered and the Tesla app is still stuck on connecting, it's time to contact Tesla support directly. They have access to advanced diagnostics and can handle issues that require hardware inspection or server-side fixes. Tesla support specialists can identify problems unique to your vehicle's hardware or escalate connectivity issues that affect Tesla's servers globally. They often need detailed information to provide the best assistance. Before contacting support, make sure to document all the troubleshooting steps you've attempted, including any error messages, network details, or patterns you've noticed. This helps them diagnose the problem more efficiently. For immediate assistance, try Tesla Assist, their AI-powered chatbot available in the Tesla app. It can provide quick answers or guide you through common issues. If your vehicle is in service mode or you need hands-on support, Tesla support can arrange for pickup or on-site assistance. Remember, persistence pays off. Most issues get resolved with their help.